Okay, for 108, they want to know if the two lines will intersect. And then it says, find the equation of each and test your prediction. Okay, so let me make this bigger, right? So that we don't need that anymore. Okay, so first we know that they're going to intersect because they're clearly not parallel and they're going to intersect somewhere, out here, right? Okay, so let's get the equations of the line. So let's call, this line red, and we'll call this one up here green, right? So let's do the red line first. So the red line, I can get the slope this way, right? Okay, so the slope, I'll start here. It goes down 1 and left 1, 2, 3, -3. So the slope of the red line is -1 over -3. Slope is 1/3, and the y-intercept, I could just look right there, is 3. So that's y equals 1/3 x plus 3, right? Now the green line, right, let's make the slope triangle right here, right, is I go down 1 and to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 4. So the slope of that one is -1/4. And the y-intercept is right here, 8 at 10. So that equation is y equals -1/4 x plus 10. So now we could solve this as a system. Kind of running out of room, but let's try our best to do that down here. So I'm going to set them equal to each other, right? So I have -1/4 x plus 10 equals 1/3 x plus 3. Again, we're trying to solve the system, so I can use equal value method. Okay, so now I'll subtract 1/3 from both sides, right? And we need common denominators. So that's 3/12 and 4/12. That's -7/12 x plus 10 equals 3. Subtract, I'll come here, subtract 10. So that's -7/12 x equals -7. And then multiply both sides by -12/7, the reciprocal. So we get x equals, the -7's cancel, right? And we get x equals 12, right? And then we can substitute in for y. I'll substitute into this one. Y equals 1/3 times 12 plus 3. Y equals 4 plus 3, y equals 7. So they intersect at 12/7, which again is out approximately where we thought it was going to be just by looking at those lines.